Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm in my mom's room. She's sleeping. But I have to clean the bird cage. So today's video is cleaning my bird cage. And I'm wearing my pajamas because I don't know. Okay, let's get started. By the way, this is my bird. Mr. Grinch. Mr. Grinch, say hi to the viewers. Don't be rude. Okay. So we are gonna clean the bird cage because birds make a lot of mess. So we gotta clean. So open the curtain. Let's pull it out. Okay. Gotta move this chair. Okay. We're gonna let the bird and the nugget out. Come on, Nugget. His name is Mr. Grinch, but his nickname is Nugget. The bird is out. Okay. So, see, you gotta take it out. You gotta. Having a bird is a lot of work because they poop a lot. But you could see him up there. Oh, that's the good. There. Enjoy his company while I clean the bird cage. Enjoy his company. I'm gonna go to the back. It's covered. Space. See this? See this? As I poop. So, be right back. Oh, it's been 10 minutes. It was gonna be a long video. See, clean. Oh, that's clean. Now I need to clean that. Shit, why is it okay? We're gonna clean the mess. Why can't it be a clean bird? Ooh, it's hot. There. Wow, I'm such a smart person. Turn on the fan. My bird is out. What a great owner. So retarded. Thank God he didn't fly. So that means I gotta suffer because I'm hot. I want the fan on, but I can't keep the fan on because that's not fart. Fart. That's not fart. That's not smart. Letting your bird out while the fan is on, because he might fly and he might get hurt while the fan is on. So yeah, do not turn on your fan when your bird is out. The life of being a bird owner. You gotta clean and then make a lot of mess. So if you can't see me, if you're planning on getting a bird, have fun cleaning their poop. Because they make a lot of mess and they poop a lot. Like, why can't you be a clean bird? Wanna see it? Okay. Be like that. Okay, you know what? This is gonna be like a long, so I'll pick up the video after I'm finished cleaning. Hey, I'm back cleaning my bird cage. Voila! Clean. Be grateful. Are you happy that I cleaned your cage? Are you happy? Yes? I cleaned your cage. Look. It's so clean. Say thank you. Say it. No? Okay. Okay. Ungrateful. Okay. Anyways. So, the last part is to put this back on. Go in. There we go. Yay. Wait, let me show you a clean cage for a happy bird. Are you happy? Yes? Say thank you. Say subscribe and press the like button and turn on the bell. Turn on the bell. And put notification on when my owner Lemon Chan upload a brand new video. And thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoy my owner cleaning my dirty cage. Cause I make a big mess. I poop a lot and I ruin stuff. And I'm a bad parrot. No, I'm a good parrot. Oh my god. So, thank you for watching me cleaning my bird cage. Say thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Can I have a kiss? Oh, you're gonna scratch? You're not gonna give me a kiss? Give me a kiss. Show everyone you love me. Okay, so no kiss from him. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Oh my god, my hair is messy. I just woke up, so. But I don't care what you think. This is who I am. But I'm gonna shower later, because it's New Year's Eve. Time to party. Are you gonna party? Oh, you ready to party? You ready? Okay, so thank you again for watching. Bye! Don't be a sour lemon. Don't be a sour lemon.